Good morning everyone. I think we are live. Everything should be good. Yeah, okay. Everything's good. Good morning everyone. Hopefully you guys all had a blessed weekend. And let's get into this week's trading week. Last week was not a great week for me. Neither was the week before that. I've had like 2 unprofitable weeks in a row now, and you can see I'm drowning in drawdown. I'm very much drowning in drawdown, but yeah, I don't know. Supply and demand in the past 2 to 3 weeks just have not been hitting. There's been a few setups there, but they're not like the greatest setups. And yeah, you know what, it is what it is. I think supply and demand is just going through like a little bit of a rough time on holding on certain setups. But let's hope we can start getting better with supply and demand. Hopefully we can start getting, start catching some good setups. Sells gold. Let's check gold. Let's pull up gold real quick. Let's pull up gold. Let's see. What do we see on gold? Yeah, actually, depends how you trade it. Oh, it looks like there was a supply there as well. Okay, wait. I think gold sells if you were on the charts a little bit earlier. There was a valid supply on gold. That's probably something. Let's see, the breaker structure, it was kind of there. That was low key. That was low key pretty good. 5-minute supply, yeah, that supply there was actually like really good. Had a nice breaker structure right here, and yeah, we got a lot of gaps to fill in down below here, so that is pretty good. I'm taking 5M supply, and then there's another supply over there which is also valid to take for in the rest of these gaps if we get a pullback into that zone. But yeah, I don't trade gold. There's two. Yeah, okay, let's just see. Okay, so this US30 setup is valid now. So I'm waiting on this US30 demand. I'm pretty sure it's just the 5-minute demand, 5-minute regular demand. Yeah, it's just the 5-minute regular demand. There's no 1-minute zone inside of it. And then let's see, and then there was one on NAS down here, which I'm probably also gonna wait on. Yo, Andreas, you just decided to forward test for now. Drakey, it depends. It depends how the setup looks. If the setup looks good to me, I'll probably end up taking it. But if we don't get anything like extremely good that looks like an A+ setup, I probably just won't take it and just forward test for the rest of the day. But if we get like an A+ setup, then I'd probably look to try and take it. A lot of imbalance to be filled, then to buy from the 1 hour demand. Yeah, a lot of gaps below here. Let's check the 1 hour, and then that 1 hour demand there is also pretty clean. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna be forward testing today. It just depends what we see, because I'm already not liking how the day started off, because we had 2 setups that did get broken right through. So we had a 5-minute demand, and I believe this was a 1-minute demand as well on GU, and that got broken right through. It gave break a candle up here, and then just broke right through. And then the same thing was with GJ. The same thing happened as well. That right there was, I think this was just a 5-minute demand. Gave break a candle and instant fake out. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be actually taking a setup today though. We honestly just got to see what happens. But both of these setups, I think GJ just did like a little liquidity grab there, or something like that. We grabbed, yeah, closed above that low there. Maybe tapping into a support. I'd have to check TradingView for that. But yeah, now GJ is moving up, and then GU. I think GU also threw a liquidity grab. It came below these lows here, swept these lows and started pushing up. So we just gotta see what happens now. Okay, I believe there's also a 5-minute demand right here on GU, but I wanted to break that high up there, and then let's see if it has a 1 minute real quick. Let's see if yeah, it does have a 1 minute as well, but I'm probably gonna just wait on like the 5 minute, because the 1 minute plus the 5 minute supply and demand have been hurting my account a lot recently. So yeah, probably just gonna wait for a regular 5 minute demand or supply. I like NAS demand the best. NASA right now is probably looking the best right here with this demand here. And US30 also does not look that bad. Oh, I missed this. As soon as I was walking back from school, US30 had another demand here, but I missed that. It was like right as school ended. This was just a regular 5 minute one, and you could have gotten that break a candle and hold for like a 1-to-1. So yeah, US30 already threw a demand that one. So we just gotta see what else happens. GU's momentum is crazy. Yeah, okay, I like GU demand right now. It just closed above the high. Just closed above the high, so taking a demand here makes sense. And there's also one there's also a 5 minute one lower down there. Hi boss, what is the difference of liquidity sweep and liquidity grab? They're both the same thing. It's just a different name. Liquidity grab and liquidity sweep is literally, to my understanding, it's the exact same thing. It's just called different things. Like a fair value gap and a gap, and what's the other word? Imbalance. It's literally all the same thing. Liquidity, like imbalance, gap, fair value gap, same thing. And then I'm gonna guess, as far as my understanding, a liquidity grab and a liquidity sweep is the exact same thing, just a different name. Just a different name for the same thing. Yeah, I'm liking... I like GU the most right now. I definitely like GU the most. Magic keys is working. We chilling. We just gotta be patient. I do have a feeling US30 could come tap. Let's see. I actually quite like US30. It would make sense if we go to the 15 minute on US30. It makes sense. There's like there's liquidity sitting up top here, and there's a lot of gaps here. But it does look like we're in a little bit of consolidation. So I don't know. We gotta wait. It does make sense. Yeah, we still got this big gap here that needs to be filled. So maybe that US30 could be something. Let's see, GJ also has this big gap that needs to be filled. Let me just delete these lines real quick. GU. It looks like there's a little bit of a resistance here. Something like that. We're consolidating a little bit on the 1 hour as well. Check the 4 hour. The 4 hour is coming off of a 4 hour demand right here. So it could be an indication that we're going to keep pushing up on GU. Definitely. NAS, check the higher time frames. NAS got this one big momentum candle. Could probably, yeah, it's also consolidating a little bit of liquidity sitting up top here with this big gap. Check the 4 hour. Oh, wait, is it? Yeah, there's NAS 4 hour. It looks like there's a demand there. Looks like NAS came off while this big push was off of a 4 hour demand as well. We also got a 4 hour gap to be filled here. I don't know. To me, a lot of these, all my pairs are looking pretty bullish, while consolidating and hopefully hoping to become bullish. We definitely just gotta wait. Fred said GU. Yeah, as I was saying about GU liquidity grab, if you go to the 15 minute, that looked even better off the 15 minutes. Let me delete the zone here. Yeah, that liquidity grab definitely looked the best off the 15 minute, but it was also valid on the 5 minutes. Yeah, GU threw an insane liquidity grab. And GJ did the exact same thing. You looking for GU buys on GU? Yeah, I'm waiting for it to retrace back to one of these demands here, and potentially see what it does. We're also coming off, like I said, we're coming off a 4 hour demand as well. We had a big momentum candle to the upside, so that could be something. A very good indication that we and it looks like a 1 hour demand as well. So yeah, honestly, probably be looking for it to continue up. Maybe come take out this high on the 5 minute. There's also another high there and there. Definitely a lot of potential for GU to keep pushing up. Let's check. I might pass up on this US 30 demand. It's an okay setup. I don't know. We're definitely gonna look at the reaction when we get to the zone. I missed this, but GJ. Oh, what did I do? GJ's throwing a liquidity grab right now. So just grab the high right there. Let me show you guys. It'll look better on TradingView. Let's pull up TradingView real quick. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we got TradingView open. So if we just look here, GJ grabbed that high there, so it could push down maybe just a bit, and then maybe continue up. But yeah, GJ's throwing a liquidity grab right now. Yeah, and then yeah, that looks like a support over there, and then GU had that liquidity grab. GU's liquidity grab was the best though. Let's see, we're getting pushed down into hopefully the zone or the zone below here. That's what we're waiting on. The only thing I don't like about GU is the 200 EMA on the 5 minute. It's cutting right through the middle. We've been consolidating a bit on the 5 minute on GU, but also the higher time frame. So yeah, even though the 1 hour is cutting right through the middle, the 15 minute and the 5 minute. So that's like the only bad thing about GU. US 30 looks like we just tapped into the demand, but I think I'm gonna pass up on the setup. But we can mark out where we would have gone in at. Let's see. A little bit of a reaction at that zone as well. Next candle's now. Let's see if it gives a break a candle. There's also a stock exchange open in 15 minutes. The reaction from US 30 is actually looking pretty decent right now on the 5 minute. Yeah, US 30 could look like a winner, but I'm gonna pass up on that. Yeah, that momentum. Damn. Okay, there we go. US 30's got the momentum now. The candle just flipped bullish. Yeah, US 30 looks pretty clean. It's like halfway in giving break a candle. I like GU more though. I like GU way more. Buy US 30. I mean, there's a valid demand to take. Oh shit. There's a valid demand to take, but I'm gonna pass up on that. Just because US 30 has not been nice to me as well, and it's not like an A+ setup. But we can watch it play out. What do you think about Euro GBP? It's in a great zone. Let's pull it up. Let's see, do I have it here? Okay, no. Okay, yeah, wait, let me just look for it and then I'll pull it up. Let's see, Forex. Yeah. Euro GBP. Let's check right here. Let's see, right here. Properties. Let's just fix this. Okay. Okay, so Is it a valid supply? Okay, so he's talking about that. I'm gonna assume it looks to be counter trend. So I don't know about this now. Personally, I wouldn't take this. This is counter trend. We're breaking minor structure, but it still could end up winning. You never know. There's a 15-minute liquidity grab. I don't know. I don't like taking setups where we counter trend like this. So it's a no from me. But if you do, then maybe it could win. Maybe if there's a good reaction at the zone. What's GU doing? Yeah, actually, that's got a pretty good reaction now as well. Yeah, it could be valid if you trade this pair. You just gotta remember. Wait, let's just fix this. Let's put on where the 200 is. 200. And the 200 is cutting through the middle. Yeah, it's valid, but I wouldn't take it personally. Yeah, okay, the settings are right. And the 200 is cutting right through the middle. On the it was actually been consolidating for quite a while. Like we're consolidating in this range here. Yeah, we're consolidating there. EMA is cutting a little bit through the middle, but it's way worse on the 5 minute. You can see that we're literally just running through the middle of price. There's no like clear direction. It actually just gave break a candle as well. So this could probably end up playing out. And I think see how big that stop loss is. The stop loss is only like 1 pip, so yeah, it's a pretty small stop loss. Could potentially go down. US 30, let's see. It closed inside the zone. Still got potential to go up. Hasn't given a break a candle yet. Yeah, I don't know. It's pushing down a lot. I think Nasdaq is probably gonna consolidate now until open, which is in 9 minutes. So Nasdaq is just gonna move up and down like that for until 9:30. Okay, never mind. US 30's actually got it's actually got a really nice reaction now. Pushing up with a bit of momentum. And it looks like it's about to break a candle. Oh, it was about to break a candle. Also, this stock exchange open now, so it's also probably not the best setup to take when stock exchange is in a few minutes. A minute minute and 20 seconds till the next candle. Let's see. GU and GJ could both create a demand if we break the highs. So on GU, if we break this high up there, then this demand here is valid, and same thing on GJ. GJ, if we break, well, if we close above that high there, then this is also valid. And then US30 actually looks like it's about to break a candle. It's like right there. It does look like there's a lot more momentum in the market compared to last week. Like last week was very bad. Like momentum was slow, and it was NFP week, so it kind of makes sense. But this week does look like we're getting a lot more momentum in a few of these candles. It just looks like it's moving better. Besides for the consolidation. Wait, let's just see. Did GJ close above? Okay, no, GJ didn't close above, so that's not valid yet. And then we also gotta wait on this. US30 does look like it gave break a candle as well. Yeah, US30 gave break a candle, so whoever's in that, good luck. Let's see what happens. Stock exchange open in 5 minutes now. Let's see. Still waiting on GU. I wish GU just pulled back a little bit more into this demand and then decided to stop pushing up. Like if we just tapped this 5 minute here, we would have been chilling. It would have been good if we just tapped this demand here. US30 looks like it's actually about to lose. Yeah, okay, yeah, US30 just lost. That's why you do not trade close to stock exchange open. So let me just pull it up onto on TradingView right now. Here it is. You would have lost if you on a break candle. I think stock exchange open might push down. NAS does look like it wants to push down now. Let's just see. Did you take anything today? Nah, I have not taken anything today. I haven't taken anything today. I've only been on the charts for around an hour now. I was barely looking at it during school. Like, I did not look up. Yeah. And also when I was backtesting and stuff, I was looking at what time I was taking like most of my trades, and most of my trades were happening like from 9 a.m. New York Stock Exchange or New York time till like 11 a.m. So I wasn't, so me getting on the charts earlier than that was kind of pointless because most of my trades were coming like at 9 o'clock. So that's why today I wasn't really in a rush to get on the charts, but I did look at it a bit. Let's see. Stock exchange opens in 2 minutes now. NAS looks like it's still pushing down with, still looking like it's gonna come fill in these gaps below here. Maybe we get a tap into the demand. Let's see, I think GU is about to be valid as well. Let's see, if it closes above this high there, then GU is valid. Let's see if it closes above the high. We got what, 30 seconds until open? Yeah, US30 completely just disrespected that zone. That was a quick fake out. 10 seconds. Okay, this is stock exchange. Let's see, US30 is pushing up. Let's see. Yeah, US30's actually got quite a bit of momentum. Let's see, Nas looks like it's about to tap the 5-minute zone. It's getting really close. Like it's actually about to tap that zone. GJ just looks like it's probably gonna continue going up. Yeah. Doesn't make sense though. GJ's been pretty bullish for a while now. Okay, let's mark up GJ. GJ's got a demand right there. So let's see. Still not really anything. You're probably gonna have to wait a little bit longer. I don't even think NAS is even a good demand zone to take at this point because of how much momentum we're getting pushed down. Like just 2 candles with so much momentum. So NAS could honestly just continue dropping. Or it just respects the zone. Either one, but most times I've seen this, it usually disrespects the zone. I think Nas actually just tapped into the zone. Yeah, Nas just tapped the 5-minute. There is also a 1-minute zone inside of the Nas 5-minute. So let's see what happens. How much you up on your funded account? I'm in drawdown, bro. AK flat. I'm in drawdown. I'm drowning in drawdown. The past 2 to 3 weeks have been terrible for me. I won't even lie. Like supply and demands have just been getting faked out. And yeah, no, it hasn't been good at all. So yeah, I'm drowning in drawdown. How much am I in drawdown? Let me do the math real quick. What I'm down. Shit, I need my calculator for that. I'm down like 4%, maybe even more than that. I don't even know. Yeah, Nas. I think I'm down like 5%, something like that. Like everything's just been horrible to me. And I was up quite a bit at the beginning, but like when did I start? I started at the beginning of March, and I was up quite a bit, and then everything just came down during the rest of March. Yeah, Nas broke out of that zone. Let's just delete that. The only two potential trades I see is on GU and GJ, and they might not even pull back. Market been trash. Yeah, I agree, Fred. It's been pretty bad. Unless Nas maybe throws like a liquidity grab, but I don't even think I'm confident to take a liquidity grab at the moment. Let's just draw it up with the box. Yeah, Nas could throw like a liquidity grab there, but I'm not confident in taking that. Buy gold. I am in buy. We can put up gold. Let's see. That was the wrong thing. My bad. I see a reason to sell gold, not to buy gold, bro, but do whatever you do. Gold looks like it's in a 5-minute supply right here. And I was speaking about this earlier. Someone came into my thing and told me that came into stream and told me that there's a supply. There's been 2 supplies on gold. So I see gold dropping. We've got liquidity underneath here. There's a bunch of gaps. I see gold dropping quite a bit. And it's I think it might have tapped in the first entry, but that lost, and it might give like a re-entry now on gold. But I'm good on gold. I don't trade gold. Yeah, Nas is definitely throwing a liquidity grab. Can I please? Okay, I just want to move the zone a bit. And Nas is throwing a liquidity grab. Are you feeling black? Bro's back. Why would I be feeling black? Yeah, Nas looks like it's respecting this. Let's see if it closes above though. Hopefully GU or GJ pull back into like there's demand here on GJ, or one of these on GU. Do you bro, Darren? I swear I'm gonna mute you, bro. What are you saying? Nah, bro. If you actually don't stop, I'm gonna mute you. Nas actually might look like it's gonna continue pushing down to maybe like a support here, or maybe like grab some of these lows underneath here. That's what Nas could actually do. Yeah, I might come grab that liquidity down here, and then maybe only start pushing up, because 3 continuous bearish candles with a bunch of momentum is not a good sign. Kick Darren out. I mean, I don't think I can kick him, but I can. Oh no, I can. I can just mute him. Oh no, I can't. Alright, yeah, I can put this user in timeout. Yeah, we'll put him in timeout if he carries on. Bro. Darren, I'm giving you one more chance, bro. If you say one more thing like that, is your GF lesbian, bro? I'm muting you or putting you in timeout, bro. If you carry on. I really ain't in the I really ain't in the mood for any of this. He's a bad boy. Yeah, okay, Nas close below the low. Yeah, I think Nas might just continue down. He's pushing down with a lot of momentum in these 3 candles. So it could probably just carry on pushing down. Did you send me a friend request on Disc? No. Joe Mama, no, I don't remember. Nah, I don't send anyone friend requests. On Discord, I only accept friend requests if someone sends it to me, but I don't think I've ever sent a friend request to someone. So yeah, this is probably not me. It's probably some scam account. Can't you block him from stream? I think I can. No, I can't. I can't block him from stream, but I can just put him in timeout, so I don't think he'll be able to chat. But that's if he carries on. Yeah, Joe Mama, I have not sent a friend request to anyone. Yeah, no, it's definitely not me. Definitely not me. There's been a few scam accounts, but yeah, I always ban them, so. And I most likely won't message you first. So it's probably not me. Anyone, I probably won't message anyone first. Yeah, honestly, today I was pretty much just thinking about forward testing, but it doesn't even look like it's gonna be a trade day. Even if I was looking to take an actual trade, I don't even think we're gonna get anything. GU is just pushing way, way up, and GJ is still also just pushing way, way up. So I don't even think we're gonna get a pullback on any of those. And NAS, I mean, there's a NAS supply up here, but the odds it gets to that and respects that is quite low. US 30's got nothing. Are you feeling brown 8, bro? Darren, I'm putting you in timeout. I'm pretty sure it just mutes you from watching. I mean, from typing. Maybe NAS pushes all the way up and we get a tap into that supply. This little child was looking for attention. Nah, definitely. But he was like that last stream as well, so yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm hoping maybe in a few weeks into Q2, I'm hoping that the market starts getting back to normal, because Q1 still was not the best. Yeah, I doubt anything's gonna pull back. I mean, we're gonna sit and wait until the time's done, until like, for me, 4 o'clock, but 11 a.m. We're just gonna have to sit and wait and see if anything actually does pull back. US30 looks like it created a demand as well, but we definitely need to just make sure it closes above the high. If US30 closes above this high here, then this demand is valid, but the zone looks a little bit big. I'm just gonna quickly measure it. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a 45 pip zone, so I don't even know. It's a little bit of a big zone, but it could still respect. Doyle took the weirdest setup. What did he take? Did he post it on a story? Hold up, let me. Oh yeah, he did. Let's see. What did he take? Wait, what? What pair? Hold up, wait. Am I? Oh, he took it on gold. Oh, Doyle took like a gold demand. And he had the supply marked up in gold as well. Hold up. Let's pull this up. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, for Drakey, now that is one weird ass setup. Okay, so Doyle took that, no breaker structure demand, and he had the supply marked up, which is pretty crazy. So tap the supply, it gave break a candle, and he still decided to take a buy off of break a candle when it broke. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I didn't think he traded gold, but I guess now he does. That's gold, I think. Yeah, gold. Yeah, it's on gold. That's like, I wouldn't expect him to take a no breaker structure demand, especially like this, like where it's placed at. Like we came from a supply and tapped in here, but you know what? It ended up winning. But yeah, I don't know. Even if I saw that trade, I don't think I would have taken that. Definitely not. Yeah, he said it in his webinar. He's gonna give it a shot. Okay, I see. I didn't watch his webinar. It's in the Discord, but I haven't actually watched his webinars in a while. It's been a while since I watched the last webinar from Doyle. I guess 4 hour demand and 1 hour break and retest, but still really weird. Let's check. Okay, 4 hour demand. Oh, let me pull up here. It's just a green candle there, but let's pull up gold here. And then let's see, 4 hour. Okay, yeah, okay. So it's just messed up on MetaTrader, but that's a 4 hour demand there. Okay, and then 1 hour break and retest. I mean, I don't know exactly how to trade break and retest, but I do see a little bit what he took. But still, yeah, no, that's still a very weird setup to take. I'd expect him to probably take the supply, because the 5-minute supply looks way better. To me, the 5-minute supply makes a lot more sense. You get in that break a candle and you take it down to fill in these gaps there, but yeah, I don't know. Hopefully GJ maybe comes down into this demand here. There is also a demand right here, but I'd prefer the second one 100%. Prefer the second one. US 30 still isn't valid. It wicked above this high, but that is like a liquidity grab right now, so it needs to close above this high. Oh, I see. He didn't say that. By the way, that's just what I see. I have no idea why he took it. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, well, I guess I do see the 4-hour demand, so that makes a tiny bit of sense. But it's also very high. Gold is also very, 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 very high. I think, is it at its... Yeah, gold's at its all-time high. I don't know. I honestly, I don't know what to say. He took a demand there. He got like a low... Actually, that might have hit like a 1 to 2. I just took a supply setup, a setup on NAS. Both order hits 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. What supply? Am I tripping? What supply? I don't see any supplies right now. Maybe trade like the 1 minute. No, I don't even see anything off the 1 minute. What supply did you take? On NAS? Yeah, I definitely don't see any supply setups on NAS. Yeah, now the supply would make sense. Like, this supply is looking good now. Because, wait, did it tap? Yeah, it did tap before. Okay, so the supply on gold now makes sense. So I'm surprised he took a demand and then took the supply. Yeah. Right at 9:30. Okay, so I know what you took. Okay, this is messed up, but I think I see what you took. Maybe like that. I definitely do not trade like that. That is way too far away. But good shit to you. Open looks like a drop. And I especially don't trade open, but yeah, whatever works for you, bro. Or whatever's on your trading plan. You mean supply without fair value gap? Yeah, I know which one he took. It just looks a little bit messed up on MetaTrader. If I let's put it up on. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's a low probability supply, but yeah, I mean, if you trade that, then 100% go for it. But I don't trade. I need gaps in front of mine. US 30's in this, but it's also looking like a liquidity grab, so I'm gonna just delete that zone and yeah, not even look at that. Let's see. GJ, yeah, I don't think we're getting a pullback. I think it's only out of these 3 pairs where there could be something. I might just close gold and then let's do this. I think it's out of these 3 pairs right now if we end up getting a setup. I actually want to see, did Doyle say, did he speak in his story? I didn't even...
Contracts on this. Let's fucking go.
Okay, wait, this isn't...
We got 10 contracts on this. Let's fucking go. When the last time your boy traded gold, man? It's been a long ass time. Yes, sir. And I sent this setup to the Discord. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go. We about to close this.
Okay, I see what he took. Yeah, nothing's pulling back. I think GJ is like the closest to any of the setups, so my guess GJ would be the only hope. But we still got like another hour until I close the chart, so let's see if anything ends up pulling back or not. I'm gonna just delete some of these zones just to make it a little bit more clear, but there is 3 zones on GU, and then I don't know, I'd prefer that zone there. Let's see what ends up happening. Oh, I'm tired as hell. School was long. School was very long today. Yeah, nothing looks like it's gonna pull back. Definitely not. Might just be another no trade day. Might just be another no trade day. Where do you go to check news for NAS 100? I just check Forex Factory. Forex Factory has everything that you really need to see. You just look right here and then it tells you the day. This is what I've been using for like the past 2 years. So yeah, it pretty much works. There's actually there's no news today, no news tomorrow. Wednesday there's news at 9:30, CPI news. Thursday is PPI news at 9:30 again, and then Friday is pound news at, oh no, that's London session. There's USD news at like, what is that, 10 a.m. on Friday. It's not really any news today. GJ might be in. Did it tap? I think GJ might have tapped the first demand, but like I said, I don't think I like that one. I don't like that one. I'm definitely gonna wait either for the second one or this one right here is gonna win. So tap. Let me just mark that up better. So tap that one, but I don't like that one. I prefer the second one. Let's see. It's got a very good reaction. Okay, I use Forest Factory too. Yeah, Forest Factory's just been the easiest one. It's always worked for me. I've never had a problem, or I've never not like something has never not shown up on Forex Factory and then I missed it or something like that. It's always been working. There's a pretty good reaction off of this zone, so yeah. But I'm gonna pass up on this one and preferably wait for the zone right below GJ. Definitely like the zone a lot more. It also, yeah, okay, so the top zone also has a 5 minute, a 1 minute zone, a 1 minute demand inside of that, but so does this one. Let's see. Let's see what ends up happening. Are you still on your 25k funded account? Yeah, I'm trading on it. I'm in a lot of drawdown though, as you can see in the bottom left corner. I'm in a lot of drawdown. Like, yeah, past 2 weeks have just not been great for me. By the way, have you even passed the 10k account? No, I was doing a 10k account last year with my Forex funds, but it closed down, or whatever happens in my Forex fund. I don't even know the full story. All I know is that I can't trade on my Forex funds. The account got frozen and their profit just... What does it even say? Let's actually see. What happens when you search my Forex funds? I don't even know what it says. My Forex funds. Let's see. Oh, it's not even on here anymore. Oh no, here it is. Let's see. Does it even load? Yeah, I was doing a 10k in my Forex funds last year. Yeah, okay. It opened. Let's see. It does. Yeah, their website's offline. It just has this. Yeah, so I was doing a 10k last year and then it got frozen. So, yeah. And then I did a 25k, which I'm trading on now. I just bought my first 10k. My first 10k funded on phase 1 right now. I hope you pass, bro. I hope you pass. And also, I don't like GJ because look at the spreads. The spreads on GJ are like the worst. Out of all the pairs I trade, GJ has the worst spreads. That's why I don't like it. Like, what is that spread? That's like a 1.1 spread. Something like that. 1.1 pip spread. GU, I have 0 spreads. On NAS, I believe it's 0.8 spreads. And then US30, I also have 0 spreads. Actually, no. Okay, most of the time I do have 0 spreads on US30. But now it looks very small though. But yeah, let's see. I'm in the US. I'm using Blue Guardian prop firm. I see a lot of... You can't really use a lot of prop firms in the US. I do know that. I know Juicy, the other owner of the Discord, he's trading on a live account at the moment because he's pretty much not allowed to use prop firms because he's in the US. Let's see. I think GG is about to break the first zone. It's really close. It's like at the bottom of the zone. It might have tapped. Yeah, okay. So it's tapping into the 1 minute demand right now as well. So let's see if it even gets anything. Alpha Capital and Equity Edge right now are the best prop firms. In my opinion, FTMO is still the number one prop firm. Has been around like almost the longest, and they have like the best reviews. So I'd say FTMO is like my number one prop firm, and then the second best one right now, in my opinion, is Funding Pips. 100% Funding Pips is actually still going really good. And I also like Fixify. There's also Fixify, which also looks pretty good. Okay, the 1 minute just gave break a candle on GJ, but yeah, you know what? I'd rather pass up on the setup. But you know what? It could still end up winning. It could 100% still end up winning. Let's see how this plays out. It's getting somewhat close to giving break a candle on the 5 minutes. Let's see, I'm gonna pull it up on TradingView just so you guys can see it. Okay, so let's delete that real quick. 5 minute breaker candles right there, and we drop to the 1 minute. We have a 1 minute zone right here as well. Let's just draw that. Oh wait, did it break the 1 minute zone? Hold up, wait, never mind. The 1 minute might not even be valid. Yeah, okay, never mind. It broke out the 1 minute zone. So this is only a 5 minute setup. I did not see that. I was not zoomed in all the way. But yeah, that's just a 5 minute zone, and we definitely see how that plays out. Yeah, I think it's about to break out the zone now. There. Yeah. Okay, so it just broke out the zone. And let's delete that real quick. And let's see if the second zone ends up respecting or not. I think, yeah, on TradingView it tapped. It's pushing down. Okay, let's see what happens. GU is also pushing down. Let's see what happens. Let's see. She's definitely got a good reaction out of the 5 minutes. Let's see, your 1 minute until next candle is probably, it might even give break candle before that. Yeah, it's about to break the previous candle. Let's see. If if I had to take a setup right now, I'd probably wait on GU. Like, GJ looks good. I mean, it looks alright. I'd much rather wait on GU though, if I had to take a setup. And the spreads on GJ are terrible. It's really close and giving breaker candles. It's like right there. It's like right there. It's got a good reaction from the zone. No candles closed in it, just tapped and rejecting out. Let's see. What's US 30 doing? US 30 just dropped a bunch. NAS is looking pretty weird. Probably gonna push up to that supply zone though. GJ still has not given break a candle yet, and it's pushing down quite a bit. It was right there in giving break a candle. Oh, what do you think about AUD/USD? My bad. Let's pull up AU. I used to trade AU. AU used to be in my pair. Oh shit! What the? Oh my gosh! My heart dropped. I thought I opened a position. Oh shit! My bad. I thought I opened a position there. That was just a limit order, or yeah, what was it? Yeah, it was a limit order. Okay, let's see. AU. I'm gonna assume you're talking about the demand. It looks okay, but we're a little bit high. As you can see, we've been pushing up quite a bit on AU, so it would make a lot of sense for it to break out this zone and then come tap like this here. Like, I'd say this demand here would be way better, but you never know. The zone could end up holding. But yeah, I don't like AU anymore. I don't like how slow it moves, and let's just see the spreads on AU. Actually, they're not that bad. What are the spreads? Oh, it's like 0.3, 0.2. Okay, so the spreads on AU aren't really that bad, but sometimes they do get quite bad on AU. So I do like to just not look at AU. GJ is about to give break a candle, like right now. Like it's on break a candle. It's like right there. Do you use any higher time frame confluence with your lower time frame entry? Yeah, I use the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, and the 5 minute. And then I'm a little bit iffy, but I do like I was testing out entering on the 1 minute for quite a bit, but I was getting faked out way too much. That is where majority of my losses come from, getting in on the 1 minute. So yeah. But yeah, I look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 15 minute as my high time frame. Wait for some retests on Sterling if you want to take it. I don't even think I want to take anything at the moment. AU reaction actually looks decent, but I don't trade AU. It's not in my trading plan anymore. GJ. Oh, what did you say? JG? You mean GJ? I mean, it's in this demand here. About it didn't give break a candle on TradingView yet. US oil. Let's pull up oil. Where's oil? This is not oil. Wait, what pair is this? No, that's not oil. And this one. Oh, here's oil. I tried trading oil like once, and Yeah, I'm not gonna try oil again. I don't see anything on oil that I'd look to take. I will not lie. I don't see anything on oil at all. There might be like a counter trend supply up there, or that might be, I don't even know. Yeah, I don't trade oil, so I honestly couldn't tell you unless you tell me what setup you're looking at. Okay, so GJ still has not given break a candle. GU might come tap into this demand here. Let's see, NAS is throwing a lot of wicks. Let's check AU. What's AU? AU actually, so like right there in giving break a candle. It's about to give break a candle actually. But yeah, I don't trade AU, so I'm good. Yeah, I think that's break a candle right there. Let's just see on, is it? Did it give break a candle? It's like, it might have. No, that doesn't look. It touched the top of the previous candle. It didn't break it yet. But yeah, AU looks okay, I guess. It's just pretty high up, so that's like the only issue. GJ is pushing back up now. Still hasn't given break a candle. Still has not given break a candle. Are you back to trading the 5-minute entry, or still on the still on trading the 1 minute? I'm in the middle of both. Right now, I'm probably just gonna be forward testing for like today and tomorrow. That's why I haven't really like been. I want to get in a setup, or I want to set up. Like I'm just forward testing I only take a setup if it's like an A+ setup at the moment. But I'm a bit iffy between still entering off of the 1 minute because of how many I've had, like 6 back-to-back losses, or it's like even 7. Like I've had back-to-back losses. Like it's been insane off of the 1 minute. But the 5 minute also still faked out on those setups. So it is just supply and demand that has not been hitting that great recently. So I can't blame it just on the 1 minute. But yeah, supply and demand just, it hasn't been hitting like it used to recently. That's why I'm just forward testing and waiting a bit. Just to see which still work. If the 1 minute entry is still gonna be good and give consistent entries, or the 5 minute is not. Or the 5 minute, or just go back to the 5 minute. Like, yeah. AU gave break a candle now, so we can watch how AU plays out. Let's just fix this EMA here. It's the 200, and we put it there. Let's see. Test, retest on supply and demand? What do you mean? What do you mean test, retest on supply and demand? Test, retest. What? These are not fake outs. You're just becoming liquidity. I mean, I'm still getting faked out though. We're getting break a candle in the direction we needed to give, and then it instantly just goes in the opposite direction. So all I'm doing is getting faked out. I meant test. What? I meant test, retest. What does that mean? Let's see, GJ. GJ is also getting close to, not really getting close to break candle, but next candle will probably break this candle that's being formed. Or it might actually give break candle. It's getting pretty close. It's 30 seconds until next 5 minute candle, so let's see. What do you mean by test, retest? Oh, backtest my retest. Oh, I've been backtesting. I've been backtesting all the previous setups I take. A lot of them are just getting faked out, and then afterwards, single breaker candle is not enough. I've been profitable taking a single breaker candle. The whole of Jan I was profitable. The whole of, actually, most of Feb I was profitable. Most of March I was profitable, and then actually the first 2 weeks of April March I was profitable, and then the last 2 weeks it just went completely, yeah. But like, if you just look at it in pure metrics, I've had more profitable weeks this year than losing weeks, but the losing weeks are big losing weeks. That's the only problem. But if we look at it as in just like a winning trade and a losing trade, I've had more winning trades than losing trades. It's just, yeah. I don't know how to explain it, but I've been, like, the whole of January I was profitable. I was profitable every single week. 2 weeks in February I was profitable. The other 2 weeks I wasn't profitable. Same thing with March. 2 weeks I was profitable. 2 weeks I was not profitable. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to mention, GJ gave break a candle, and it is actually about to give hit 1-to-1 actually. Like, it's getting really close. There's that 1-to-1. Yeah, it's actually getting really close, but spreads is like 1.2 pips, so you probably would have only gotten in, if you entered that break candle, you probably only would have gotten in like somewhere there. That's with spreads, so yeah. Hey man, how is your journey going so far? Yeah, I mean, everything's going pretty good. Everything's going pretty good except for the past like 2 weeks. Yo, why the red trade bigger? No, my red trades aren't bigger. It's just so I've only been trading on the 25K account for 1 month now, and I had what was it? I had like 2 profitable weeks, and then after that I had 2 losing weeks, and those 2 losing weeks I've lost more than I've made in like the 2 weeks I was profitable. Yeah, I lost more than I made in the 2 weeks I was unprofitable. That's why my losing trades aren't bigger than my winning trades. I risk, so when I was taking 1 minute entries, I was going for 1 to 2s. So I was risking 0.5% per entry, and I was going for 1%, which was the 1 to 2. So my winners were 0.5% bigger than my losses. It's just, yeah, I've been taking a lot of losses recently, so it's been adding up. Are you ending the month's green? January I ended green. I wasn't trading on the 25K account though. February I ended green, and then March I ended red. And now April I've been trading. I traded last week. It was red as well. Also AU1. AU1, but I don't trade AU, so let me just close it. I don't trade AU, but yeah, AU1, GJ also, I think, a 1. Yeah, GJ1, let's just shift it over. Yeah, GJ just hit 1-to-1, like, barely, off of the 5 minutes. Do you have a target on, do you have a target withdrawal on the 25K fund? I just want to, at this point in time, I just want to get out of drawdown. I'm in a lot of drawdown, but it's only like, I need like 4 winning trades to get out of drawdown, because it depends on what I take it on. If I take it off the 1 minute, then I need like 4 winning trades and I'll be out of drawdown. So it's not really that bad. Or I just need like one really, really good setup off the 1 minute and go for like a 1-to-4 or 1-to-5. But that does not happen often. Yeah, GJ1 off this demand. But still, it wasn't like the best. It didn't look the best. Yeah. I do see it continuing up, though. Definitely do see it continuing up. to at least maybe grab this liquidity here. And if we go to like the 15 minute, there's a bunch. Actually, I don't even think you can see. Yeah, okay, you can't really see because the face cam. But if we actually, yeah, okay, so there's a bunch of gaps here. And there's a 1 hour supply, so probably filling these gaps here. So GJ could continue going up, and GU, I was hoping for GU to come tap this demand and then slowly start pushing up. US 30, nothing. NAS is slowly making its way up to the supply up here. It's slowly getting back up there. Slowly. Yes, you can do it. Patience and consistency is powerful. I believe in you. Thank you, bro. I probably will end up getting out of drawdown soon. It just depends. Supply and demand has been getting faked out a bunch recently. That's why it's been rough. And it's not only just for me. Like there's also a bunch of people in the Discord who have been getting faked out crazily. We just gotta be patient and be disciplined. NAS actually looks pretty good. Yeah, NAS actually looks quite good. Can we see the account on drawdown? I'm on the account that's on drawdown. It started off on 25k. I'm on the account that's in drawdown. I'm down like 5%. Yeah, something like that. I don't know the pure stats, but I'm on the account that's on drawdown right now. I think NAS looks good off the 5 minute. If we go to the 15 minute though, NAS is throwing a liquidity grab. So yeah, I don't know if the supply is gonna hold. I think it's just gonna get broken right through. Like we got a really nice liquidity grab. We actually even grabbed these lows down here. Can I please let me mark it? Okay, we even grabbed these lows there. So I don't really see NAS slowing down now. I think it's just gonna keep pushing up. Even if we have a 5 minute supply here, that liquidity grab was a little bit too clean. So it's probably just gonna break right through the supply. GJ also looks like it's gonna continue up. Yeah, GU does not look like it's getting a pullback. GJ, yeah, it's coming for that high up there, like I was saying. Yeah, GJ was the setup of the day. The one setup that actually looked clean, that one. Let's see if Nas ends up respecting this supply or not. It's about to tap. I think it just tapped actually. Yeah, Nas just tapped. That is a lot of momentum going into that supply. Let's see. Yeah, GJ was definitely set up of the day. I actually want to see what's the R at right now. If you got in at break of the candle, I think you just hit 1 to 2. Yeah, you just hit 1 to 2 on GJ. If you got like the perfect entry. I don't think it's gonna hold on that supply now. So yeah, I also don't think so. I also don't think this is gonna hold. Like the 15-minute through a liquidity grab, we got like what 1, 2, 3 lows right now. Yeah, it does not look like it's gonna hold at all. I meant usually when you are in an active trade, then you are in drawdown. But when you are just but when you are just down on money, you are negative or down on money. That's why I asked. No worries. Oh, I usually just call. Oh, I know what you're saying. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let me just interrupt. Nas broke out of that supply, just like I expected. But I don't know. For some reason, I've always thought of it as whenever you're down, you're just in drawdown. But yeah, you know what, is what it is. It's just really not that deep. But yeah, I'm not in any positions right now, so I'm not in that type of drawdown. But I'm down on that account. Yeah, GJ is still continuing up. I honestly see GJ going for like, let me actually mark it up. I definitely see GJ going for maybe like a 1 to 3. I definitely see GJ, yeah, probably going for like a 1 to 3. Let me pull up on TradingView just to show you guys. So that's like, oh, maybe a little bit over 1 to 3. I definitely see it filling like these gaps here, maybe tapping into like this 15-minute supply, and I'm pretty sure this lines up with, yeah, 1 hour. So yeah, it'll definitely get to like that 1 hour supply easily, and then maybe only start dropping from then. Yeah, definitely see GJ a little bit over 1 to 3. Nas is just still going completely up. Just broke out of this, grabbed this high here. Yeah, nothing really too great at all. Nothing looks good at the moment. GJ was the best setup though. Definitely the best setup of the day. There was 2 winning setups off the 5 minutes. There was this one on US30 here, and then GJ. But then there was also 2 losing setups today, which were valid. There was this one there on GJ, and then the second one there on GU. So you definitely have to be more patient today and wait until like after stock exchange open, and then look for a trade. Then you would have been chilling. Nasdaq liquidity grab maybe. Ooh, yeah, that actually looks pretty decent. I won't lie. That's a quitty grab right there. But let's just see. Let's check the 1 hour. I do see the 1 hour coming for this high here and then filling in this big gap that's here. That's why I don't know about liquidity grab. Also the 1 hour EMA right there. Yeah, it's like right there. It's cutting through a little bit through the middle. I mean, and it's consolidating, so it could make sense, but this gap right here is just too big. That needs to get filled. Like from there to like up here, this just, let me mark it up. This just needs to get filled. That needs to get filled. So I don't know. It might go for like the liquidity grab might hold for like a 1-to-1, but overall I think it's definitely gonna go higher up and fill in that big 1 hour gap, and that's like a 4 hour gap as well. Yeah, and it's a big 4 hour gap as well. So I definitely see it probably still pushing up. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Yeah, boys, I think I'm a end stream here. There's actually nothing else to really wait on. Nothing that I see that we could wait on. GJ's just left us. US 30 is in a resistance right now, something like that. Let's see, GU, nothing that you could wait on. NAS has got this liquidity grab, but I don't feel like waiting for that. So I think, yeah, I'm in stream here, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we actually end up placing a trade instead of just like forward testing. But yeah, I do need a pretty long break, or just a break to forward test, get my mind right, because the back-to-back losses have not been great. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end stream here, and then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, same time tomorrow. Yeah, still, NAS actually could react off of that. NAS 100% could react off of that liquidity grab, but once again, it's not something I'd probably wait for. Trade USD, trade Euro USD only. Learn how it moves, and it should be easy. But I only have 4 pairs. Actually, I only like 3 of the pairs I trade. So I don't even mind. The 3 pairs I trade that I like trading. Like I have US30 in here. Actually, let me go slower. So the 3 pairs I like trading is NAS, GU, and GJ. Those are like my main top pairs. Like those are like my favorite ones where I hit consistent setups on. And then I have US30 in here in case the 3 pairs don't have anything. And there we go. GJ is still pushing up. It's gonna go for that 1-to-3 though, definitely. But yeah, I only have 3 pairs that are like I've been trading for 2 years now. So yeah, that's why. Have a good day, bro. Have a good one, bro. See you tomorrow live. See you then, bro. Realize trading different currencies at the same time confuses you? Not really. They all, GU and GJ pretty much, they technically move the same. Like if you look at it, they look pretty much identical, somewhat identical. If you switch between the charts, like they're pretty close together. Like this big push up here, GJ had the same thing. This big push up right here. Then we go to the consolidation. Consolidation's right here on GU right here. Go to GJ, consolidations right here. And then the big push up on GJ, big push up on GU. So GU and GJ move pretty much the same. And then NAS moves a little bit differently to them, which is right here. So that's NAS, and it's also a USD pair. So yeah, like that's why I like the 3 pairs I trade, and then I got US30 just in case all my 3 trades aren't throwing anything. Do you trade gold? Nah, I don't trade gold. I do not trade gold at all. Yeah, Nas just gave break a candle. Honestly, you know what? Since it gave break a candle, we might as well wait. I know I said I was gonna end stream, but we might as well wait. We might as well. Let's mark it up on TradingView as well. So break a candle is right there. Offer that liquidity grab, stops above, and you just look for 1-to-1. And then GJ is also about to hit 1-to-3. 1-to-3 is like right there. It's getting very close to hitting 1-to-3. We can honestly just wait on Nas and see how Nas plays out. See if it hits or not. I think it's gonna fake out and it's just gonna continue up. Like there's actually no reason for Nas to drop at this point, but it might. I think it's just gonna come full in the gaps on the 15 minutes. Let's see what happens though. Might as well wait. I don't really have anything to do today. US30 actually did not move good today. After before stock exchange open, it was moving pretty good, but then today it just messed up. What's so cool about 5-minute candles? I only trade 1 and 15-minute for short term. Never understand that. Okay. The 15-minute for me sometimes it takes a bit long. Sometimes it takes a little bit long on just like, let's say I get like, okay, let's look for an example. Let's look for like a 15-minute demand real quick. I'll show you why I don't like the 15-minute that much. Can we find a 15-minute setup quickly? Let's see. Okay, let's check maybe GGU. Okay, this is actually no. Let's see. That's not. Okay. Okay, let's look at this. I guess we can use this. So first of all, we're gonna look at this. I'm a scalper, right? I like to scalp. I like to be in and out trade. This is not like the best example, but you know what? It's gonna work for now. If you had to enter this trade at break a candle on the 15-minute, you would have been in here for what? 15, 30, 45 minutes to take profit. I'm usually on the 5-minute. I'm getting my TPs hidden like between 15 to 30 minutes. So it's a little bit quicker. And then also the 15 minutes, sometimes your trades can end up, you'd have to end up holding them for a lot longer than the 5 minutes. Like I've seen some trades where you have to end up holding the 15-minute for like the whole day. That's why I don't really like the 15-minute. But if it works for you, it works for you. I do like the 1 minute. The 1 minute is pretty clean. It's a little bit noisy though, but I do like the 1 minute though. So yeah, sometimes I do take my entries off the 1 minute though. Yeah, so it just caught that buy up on Nas. Let's go. Good shit, bro. Good shit. I'm going for 1-to-2 on short on Nas shorts. Okay, I see. 1-to-2. Let's actually see where 1-to-2 is. I got 1-to-1. Okay, let's mark a 1-to-1 first. Okay, 1-to-1 on Nas is right here. Okay, 1-to-1 is like right there, and then 1-to-2 on Nas is a lot further down, like in the middle here. Okay, 1-to-2 on Nas is like somewhere there. So let's see how this plays out. Some of my trades are like half a day true. Yeah, that's what I don't like. That's what I don't like. I like the 5-minute. I like being in and out. But yeah, it just all comes down to preference, because I've seen supply and demand hit really nicely on the 15-minute. I try not to keep anything over 24 hours. Yeah, then it becomes like swing trading and holding facts on the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean it's just personal. Have to watch it all day? Yeah. I mean, you don't have to watch it. I guess you could just set and forget. Set your TP, set your stop loss, and leave the trade. Let it do its thing. Like, okay, let's look at it. This is an example. Now, let's say you're taking this liquidity grab. This is a 15-minute and a 5-minute liquidity grab. 5-minute entry is right there. 5-minute entry is right there. If we go to the 15-minute, the 15-minute breaker candle is much further down. It's like down here. Let me zoom in a bit. 15-minute breaker candle is here off of this liquidity grab. So like, it just makes more sense to get in a little bit earlier up here. Wait, let's actually see. This is gonna get messy, but I'm gonna fix it. I promise. Just hold up. So the 5-minute breaker candle is right there on that line. The 15-minute breaker candle is a lot lower down there, and that means your 15-minute breaker candle your 15-minute 1-to-1 is gonna be somewhere down here when the 5-minute gives already a 1-to-2. Like, you feel me? That's why it honestly just depends what you're way more willing to do. I prefer the 5-minute though. 100% I prefer the 5-minute way more than trying to trade on the 15-minute. Euro USD looking like it's gonna retest possibly before going higher or break to the nearest low 15-minute imbalance area. Let's pull up Euro USD. I used to trade Euro USD very long ago. Oh, chart shift, ask line. There we go. Okay, let's see. What do I see on Euro USD? Okay, first of all, we got a liquidity grab on Euro USD. We right now it's throwing a liquidity grab just like NAS. NAS and EU both throwing liquidity grabs. This liquidity grab looks pretty solid. Then we have a demand here, but I don't think that's gonna hold at this point because of the liquidity grab. There's another demand here. Yeah, we probably just look like we're gonna drop on EU now, in my opinion. Yeah, maybe come tap this 1 hour demand here. But short term, it's probably gonna drop, just like break this low here, and maybe fill in this gap and then start moving back up. Or I could be completely wrong. I'm actually in 50-minute long on NAS right now. Let's see. Oh, you're in the liquidity grab, bro. I was talking about that earlier on stream. Yeah, there was a 15-minute liquidity grab. That's why I wasn't. Okay, so let's just go over this again. So there was a 15-minute liquidity grab on NAS. But if you drop to the 5-minute, there was a supply here. But I didn't like that supply because we were grabbing 15-minute liquidity. Or it was a 15-minute liquidity grab. So that's why I didn't like the supply. But yeah, it was valid. What do you think about the fact that most of the setups you've lost you would have won if you just got in on the tap instead of breaky candle? Most of my setups, even if I got in that breaky candle, they lost. Literally, if I go back, all of my setups still lost, even if I got in on tap. If I got in as soon as it tapped the zone and stops below the zone, most of them still lost. I know which setup you're talking about that did end up winning, but like all the other ones that I can think of right now, they've all lost because it still just ended up breaking out the zone and then only going up. Go on 15 minutes for the imbalance. Okay. I mean, yeah, I definitely see it dropping to fill in these gaps here. Definitely see it dropping to fill in these gaps. But yeah, Joe, I know which trade you're talking about. You're talking about that GU one, which was on Thursday last week, I believe. When I got in a breaker candle, it lost, and then it gave breaker candle later in the zone, and then it won. But most of the trades before that, they still ended up losing. We still got breaker candle and then lost. What's your Twitter? I'm gonna send you the Euro USD chart I got. Bro, I don't even know my Twitter. I don't even use Twitter like that. Just DM me on Discord. DM me on Discord. I don't use Twitter like that. Like, I barely look at Twitter. Definitely just DM me on Discord. Yeah, honestly, I don't see NAS winning now. I think NAS actually might lose. I think it was just a fake out gave break a candle to the downside and pushing up now. Yeah, it does not look good at the moment. Let's delete everything real quick. Yeah. I think I'm a end stream. Yeah, Euro USD is also pushing up now. What, everything's pushing up, I think. Yeah, GJ is pushing up a bit. Yeah. That's about to wick out that wick out there, or stop yard if you're in the liquidity grab. Yeah, so I think I'm an end stream now actually. There's nothing else to wait on, and I've got 10 minutes left of my trading plan. I usually end or close the charts at 11, and it's 10 minutes to 11. So yeah, I'm in stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow though, same time as today. I'll probably start stream at around, let me think of the different time zones, at around 8:45, 8:45. I'll probably start stream again. People who live in South Africa, it is at 2:45 in the afternoon. But yeah, I'm end stream here, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. There's nothing else to wait on. I'm just wasting my time waiting on something now. Been watching you since your channel started, bro. Keep it up. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, bro. And I'm feeling a little bit sick. No idea why, but yeah. Yeah, I'm at end stream here, and I'm definitely gonna see you guys tomorrow.